Hey, my name is Harry Ford and I'm the Head of Product Strategy at Kyan. We've been doing design sprints for about 3 years now. Been running them with lots of different types of clients as well. Big corporations, startups. So it's been a really interesting journey in terms of building and developing the design sprint process within Kyan and how we use it with our clients. Clients should use design sprints, I think, as they're a great way of giving your business the creative boost I think that it actually needs to kickstart that project or product process. It helps you not just stand still but rapidly develop solutions quite quickly. At the beginning of a lot of these projects you end up sitting around in meetings and untangling the sort of messiness that can surround a lot of these projects that, there's a lot of ambiguity, there's no sort of structure to help solve the actual product problems that you have. The design sprint really helps us cut down the meaningless sort of quarrels that you can have at the start of a product process and leaves you, much more time to do the actual important things that you should be doing. The principles from the original, the Google Ventures design sprint should still always remain in terms of that cross collaboration of different teams, so having developers in the room, having designers in the room, enabling you to quickly innovate within a team, and taking those sort of startup mentalities into your team is one of the fundamentals, I think, of getting a team on board and doing this process and getting the buy-in from the higher ups as well. What we tend to do that is different from the original versions is we do slightly more prototyping. We want to do a slightly more high fidelity version of a prototype, put it in the real world hands of actual users, be that a mobile design or a website design, and then putting it in front of them and having them really test it thoroughly over a day.